Today we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations through elimination method. Okay, first of all, whenever you see a set of simultaneous equations, the first thing in your mind should be that you need to solve it in order to find the value of x and y. Now, since we are learning how to solve it through elimination method, the first thing is, by looking at the two equations, you need to identify which variable needs to be eliminated. And how to identify that? The variable that has the same coefficient in both the equations should be eliminated. Now, if you look at equation 1 and equation 2 on the screen, the first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 13. The second equation is 5x minus 3y equals 8. So which variable has the same coefficient? Definitely variable y has the same coefficient, which is 3. So we need to eliminate the variable y. Now the second thing that you need to decide is whether you're going to add the two equations in order to eliminate the variable, or you need to subtract the equations in order to eliminate the variable. Now, how to decide that? You need to check what is the operation attached with the variable that has to be eliminated. Now, if you look at the equation 1, you can very clearly see that the operation attached with 3y is a positive sign, and in the second equation the operation attached with 3y is a negative sign. So when the two operations are opposite, we add the two equations, and when they are same, we subtract the two equations. Now since they are the opposite, so we are going to add the two equations in order to eliminate the variable y. Let's do it. So we are going to write the left hand side of equation 1, and we are going to put an addition sign and write the left hand side of equation 2 is equals to, now we are going to write the right hand side of equation 1, and since we are adding, so I'm going to put an addition sign here, and we are going to write the right hand side of equation 2. Now let's solve it by collecting the like terms. Now since we can see that 3y and negative 3y can be eliminated because they have opposite signs. So what is left over? Just 2x plus 5x, which is 7x. And on the right hand side we have 13 plus 8, which is 21. So x will be equal to 21 upon 7, which is equal to 3. Now we need to work out the value of y by substituting the value of x in any one of the equation. We can substitute it in equation 1 or in equation 2. So let's substitute the value of x in equation 1. So the equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals 13. So in place of x, we are going to plug in the value of x, which is 3. Two times 3 is 6. So 6 plus 3y equals 13. 3y equals 13 minus 6 3. Y equals 7. Y is equal to 7 upon 3. Y is equals to 2 whole 1 upon 3. So the answer is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 whole 1/3. This is called elimination method.